this video, we're going to create activity sheet BAC 3.1. Okay. First, we need to analyze the object as we always do. Para mas madali, we're going to create 3 different objects here based sa top view. So after, para mas madaling i-combine and mas madali kang mag-modify. So here, we're going to create the base first for the first object. Ito yan. This is the second object. This is the third one. So here, we're going to create this. So this is 15, 80, 75, and 25. So while doing this, make sure that your ortho is turned on. So again, this is 50. This is 80. 75 and 25. Now, kailangan natin makuha yung intersection na to. So, we're going to use offset. Offset ito, itong full length na to, and this one. So, offset, we're going to use through. This one, 75 minus 45, that's 30. So, 30. Ito siya. Yan. Ito ay 50. So, pababa. It's 50. Okay. So, that will be this intersection. So, kailangan lang natin create ng line from this endpoint, tapos dun sa intersection ng ating dalawang line, then balik mo doon. Tada! So you can delete this. So that's our first object or first part. To create the other one, so press pull no, but create a line from this endpoint to this part. So that's 60. Oh, line. This one 60. Enter. Then connect it to this one. Syempre, the other one, the third part is this. So sabihin sa akin, ma'am, pareho lang naman, dapat binuo mo na. Yes, it's still a square or a rectangular object. Pero hinati natin sa different parts para mas madali mong malagyan ng slice. So here, we're going to use press pull kasi hindi tayo gumamit ng polygon or polyline. Hindi rin tayo undergo ng region or join. So, press pull lang. So, this is with a height of 60. Then, this one, you can use 60 as well. Pero, hindi siya mako-combine dito. This one is 60 also. Okay, again, three different parts. Now, pwede muna natin itong i-move, itong object na to, para hindi tayo malito. We're going to orbit this on the other side. So, ito na. Orbit pa. Itong part na ito muna ang gagawin. So, ito daw ay pwede mong ma-slice. Oh. This one. Ito siya. So, kailangan natin gumawa ng isang reference point where nandito itong 30. So, gagawa lang tayo ng line. we're going to use a different color para mas madali ma-determine. So, this one is 30. Tapos, pasobrahan mo dyan. Now, you can use na the slice command, SL. So, this one. Still, we're going to use 3 points kasi alanganin, hindi siya parallel sa XY plane ang ating points. So, 3 points ang mas madali. 3P. Or click this one. Then, first point, second point, then third point. Is that the middle? Pwede end point. We're going to select a side to retain. So, this is that side. Shala. Okay. Now, we can use this one for the other side as well. So, slice. Yan. 3P. First P. Second P. Third P. Then, choose a side. Tada! Okay. So, pwede na natin ito ibalik. Actually, pwede naman hindi tanggalin. Pero, just to let you see the difference. Okay. So, now we're going to use union. So, that will be the final product of this object. So, this object has a volume of 338625. Let me just check. Okay. This is activity 3.1. Okay. Okay, so 338625. So, that's correct. So, that's it.